say forward. And when you're ready, say forward. And when you're ready, say forward. We said England massive say forward. We said the New York massive say forward. We said the Watch massive say forward. We said the Brownstone massive say forward. Clarendon massive say forward. We said the UK massive say forward. We said the Wales massive say forward. We said the Cardiff massive say forward. Yeah man, straight up, big up. We there. Show one is alongside Dan Chef. Yeah man, big up on yourself. You see me? Straight up to the max. What do you want to say, Dan Chef?
Yeah man. Yeah, up and gunning, up and stunting. You know, we do it around here, music and food to the world. Yeah, straight out of the Gaza kitchen. You know, we do it. Big up on yourself, people. Man, log in on the team. Bless up yourself, Candy. Yeah, bless up yourself. Up and gunning. Rock and come in, and you feel rock and come in. Rock and come in on the musical scene. Rock and come in, and you feel rock and come in. Rock and come in on the musical scene. Bring your queen, dash with the machine. And it's a scene, it's a rubber dub scene. I want to see what you see when me mean. Heart it pure, say me heart it clean. So all of the people just rock and come in. Rock and come in, and no for rock and come in. Rock and come in, pan the rubber dub scene. Rock and come in, and you for rock and come in. Your skin coulda black, your skin coulda green. Why you feel what this a rubber dub scene? Cause rock and come in, and no for rock and come in. Rock and come in, and you for rock and come in. I say clear up and up and we they play. I say clear up and up and we they play. I say clear up and up and we they play. You know say Shumba one is the DJ. You know say Dan Chef him a the DJ. On the microphone you know we not go astray. And music we play, listen night and day. Listen say clear up and up and we they play. I say clear up and up and we they play. All of it, rock and come in and you feel rock and come in, yeah. Rock and come in. Yeah man, big up on yourself people. Take for the time and strolling. Yeah, don't know we need to around here. Music and food to the world. Yeah man.
One is Roman on soul. We're out here. You see me? Represent, you know. I can come in, they say I can come in. You what the man say? Night and day don't feel away. Roman don't play. Yeah. You can come in, they say I can come in. No! You can come in, they say I can come in. You can come in, they say I can come in. You can come in for the rubber dub scene. No! You can come in, they say I can come in. No! You can come in, they say I can come in. You can come in, they say I can come in. Come in for the rubber dub scene. You know? You put it coulda win, they say your booty coulda lean. You know you say you can, they say you coulda mean. Tell you one of them on the Ferra can come in. Tell them Shumba one is man in the pan the seed. Tell them Dan Chef they say in the pan the seed. The one of them we don't want no magazine. And the other them Ferra can come in. Just like a come in, they say Ferra can come in. Like a come in, they say Ferra can come in. You can come in the car, Shumba on the seed. You can come in the car, Dan Chef on the seed. Yeah, man. That's how we do it, you know. In a style and fashion. You see me, I say, Shumba one is alongside Dan Chef. You see me, I say, you don't know, you're the visitor today. Yeah, come in, Dan Chef. You see me?
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Shumba. You don't know. How we do it around here. Music and food, and you know. And we say oneness down. Yeah. Big up yourself, people. Much love and appreciation for the time and the effort. You see, she not chill out, not chill out. Chilla, chilla, la 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 la. Not chill out. Say we not sell no yo. Say we not sell no yo. This a no pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, pow. Pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, pow. This a no pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, pow. Say we not sell no yo. We don't play the rubber up in the kitchen. Everything you know is licking. Everything you know is finger licking. Like a coming, that's a rock and coming. Like a coming, that's a rock and coming. Like a coming, I can come in from the musical scene, so we not sell no yo. We not sell no yo, oh yo. We not sell no yo. Nah, sell no yo. Listen, rock and coming, rock and coming. Hear what man say? Hear what man say? Yeah man, that's some easy juggling today, you know? Rubber style, original dancehall style, authentic style. Yeah, if you know Jack is keeping you, what you gonna worry about? And if you know Jack is keeping you, then why don't you sing and shout? Glory, hallelujah, go praise his name. Every day is just the same. If you know Jah is keeping you, then what you gonna worry about? And if you know Jah is keeping you, why don't you sing and shout? Glory, hallelujah, go praise his name. Every day is just the same. I shall roll, yes, similar things and come. First is it up and stunting. And then I say something. Yeah.
One meet you, man. One will have
Have mercy. Mercy. She mercy, mercy. She mercy. She mercy. I love Jah. I love Jah. Yes, I love Jah. Yes, I love Jah. I love Jah. I praise Jah. Listen, I Jah me praise. I Jah me praise. I Jah me praise. Yes, I Jah me praise. Say me not praise man, me not trust man. Me not trust man. Say me not trust man. Me put me trust in the Almighty One. Me not trust man. Me say me not trust man. Me put me trust in the Almighty One. So I Jah me praise. Yes, I Jah me praise. Jah me praise. Yes, I Jah me praise. Him a the ancient of days. Him a the ancient of days. I Jah me praise. Jah alone me praise. Him a the kings of kings, lords of lords, conquering lion. He watches over all. Alpha, Omega, beginning and the end. My refuge, my fortress, my never ending friend. Hey, I Jah me praise. Yes, I Jah me praise. Who don't like Jah can step out of here. I Jah me praise. Jah alone me praise. Who don't like Jah, I don't care. No one is like king unto me. Only it could have part the Red Sea. Set the children of Israel free. Pharaoh and the army them a drown in a sea. Me no fret, and me say me no worry. When they wicked them start praying. I Jah got me back an angel like I me say. I Jah me praise. I Jah me praise. Who don't like Jah get out of here. I Jah me praise. I Jah me praise. Him are the ancient of days. Him are the kings of kings. Him are the lords of lords. The conquering lion. Him watches overall. Alpha, Omega, beginning and the end. My refuge, my fortress, my never ending friend. Him bless up the woman for the man. Blessed Holy Spirit, cause them never rebel. You see me I say, easy juggling. Big up on yourself, people. You don't know we do it around here. Music and food, dance chef. alongside Shumba One, straight out of the Gaza kitchen. You know, we beat round here. Up and running.
Yeah, man, you don't know, see, reggae music we are playing for the massive in the afternoon. I see yourself. So you big up on yourself, you see me? Yeah, man. Have mercy. I'm the bang, 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 bang. I'm the bang, 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 bang. I'm the bang, 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 bang. Where is something to say and problem? Yo, I'm the bang, bang, scan. I'm the bang, scan. I'm the bang, scan. I should have one that will come again. No, no, no. Life that we live in now. We have to live it right.
Every time.
Yes, sire. Yes, sire. More fire. Life. La 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 life. La 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 life. And no for them a fuss and me say no for them a fight. I should buy one this I tell them feel you right. I should buy one this I tell them feel it right. I should buy one this put on the parasite. Rastafari. Me tell them about la life. Me tell them about life. So we no want no fuss and we no want no fight. And we no want no fuss and we no want no fight. And we no want no violence on the street tonight. And we no want no crime on the road to. And we say life me a talk about. And we say to the youth them. Respect life. Submit like people with us, submit like parasite. Submit like a from away fly by night. Come still love a muffin, so me they pandit. Listen, la la love. Don't chef life, Shumba life. The girls them life, the boys them life, the youth them life, the big woman life, the man them la 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 la. Me say me talk to them in the east. Oh, me say me talk to them in the west. Rasta talk to them in the south. But them now I hear. Say them now listen. Rasta youth, them now listen. Hear me now. They talk about la 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 where them a do what me say, where them a try what me say, where them a do what me say, where them a try what me say, where them a do what me say, where them a try what me say, no, pull up. That me say pull up and come again. Come down, Dan Chef.
Yeah, man, pull up. Our belly full up. Yeah, and not even do only that. Yeah, we have to give thanks to life. Yeah, give thanks to life. Give thanks to see another day. Give thanks to see another day. So you know what? Make a joyful noise unto the Lord. All ye land, serve the Lord with gladness. Come before His presence with singing and thanksgiving. I said, make a joyful noise to the Lord. All ye land, serve the Lord with gladness. Come before His presence with singing and thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. So make a joyful noise unto the Lord. All ye land, serve the Lord with gladness. Come before His presence with singing and thanksgiving. Listen, Thank the Lord, yeah. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord to see another day, yeah. Thank the Lord and thank the Lord and thank the Lord for my going out. And thank the Lord and thank the Lord and thank the Lord for my forwarding. Say, make a joyful noise. So I shall sing, yes, I shall sing, and I shall shout, yes, I shall shout. Oh, when you praise my praise the most high. So make a joyful noise. Holy land. Yeah, as some different vibes in the band today now. You see what I say? Yeah, man, some spiritual vibes in the band today. You see what I say? Look up on yourself, people. Up and down here, you don't know beat around here, music and food to the world. Yeah, big up all the boys, big up all the girls. Big up all the women, big up all the men. You see what I say? Step up, shut up. Yeah, man, yeah, man. No blood has sky, no box has shed. The people that are young, the youth them not have no blouse and skirt, and them not have no pants and shirt. Corrupt Babylon, thief for them blouse and skirt, and thief for them pants and shirt. Corruption. Yeah, we know. Hey! No blouse and skirt, no pants and shirt. 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 No blouse and skirt, no pants and go. You them have your blouse and skirt. Babylon thief of them pants and shirt. Jah give the blessing and the devils and the curse. Rastafari, oh, we said the youth them have the blouse and skirt. Babylon thief of them pants and shirt. Jah give the blessing and the devils and the curse. Rastafari, oh, you know. Don't just say on them arm up, they work on them, don't care about man, them arm, and they shall have me no more than them palm, and them reckon, but I'm more food and shelter, make me sleep, and you them have no pooper, they give them no guidance, you them have no pooper, they teach them no order, and preach a class border, move out the order, prepare your plate and meal and a cup of water, they don't take that, I'm in that, know them get slew by sergeant inspector, no know them a sector, and even later, hey, I be by singers and tractor, them cannibal doctor, brain by a soldier, see a rasta youth them walk out and tell them rasta youth anya, smoke up the ganja, pon the corner, no we not leave ya, rasta. No blouse and skirt, no pants and shirt. I go to Babylon thief off them blouse and skirt, them pants and shirt.
Selassie, come down, Dan Chef.
Yeah, man. Babylon, upon Babylon. Babylon have to fall. Yeah. So let Jah rise and all his enemies be scattered. For he that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most I shall abide in the shadow of the Almighty. Jah Rastafari. You see? Up and stunting. You know, we eat around here. Music and food to the world. Yeah. So say, let Jah rise and let his enemies be scattered. So let Jah rise in front of him. Let Jah rise in front of them eyes. Let Jah rise and give them a soul. I will lift up my hands up to the east from my head take on from God, who made the heaven and earth. He that keep it, he will not slumber nor step. So let Jah rise and give them a surprise. Let Jah rise in front of them. The sun shall not smite me by day, nor the moon smite me by night. So the wicked them a fuss and the wicked them a fight, But all them a fight, say them can't stop my stride. So let your eyes, let your eyes, let your eyes in front of them eyes. When your rise, wicked will run down. Watch what I'm made like the butter to the sun. All wicked man know them must fall down. You know Babylon kingdom if I be fall down. So let your eyes, let your eyes, let your eyes in front of them eyes. Let your eyes, let your eyes, let your eyes and give them a surprise, 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 surprise. Yeah. Let your eyes, wicked have to run up and down. Watch how them a make like the butter to the sun. Let your eyes, let your eyes, let your eyes in front of them. And because you're not asleep, him a watch over me. You're not asleep, him a provide for me. You're not asleep, him a protect me. You're not asleep, him a sustain me. So let your eyes, let your eyes, let your eyes in front of them eyes. Let your eyes, let your eyes, let your eyes and give them a surprise. I will live for my eyes to the kitchen when come in my head. My head they come from God who made the heaven and earth. He that keepeth me in the slumber nor slept. The wicked shall not sit, the righteous don't fall. Watch out them a stand up to stand tall. So let your eyes, let your eyes, let your eyes and give them a surprise. Let your eyes, let your eyes, let your eyes in front of them eyes. Yeah, give the wicked a surprise. Yeah, up and running. Step crash over.
Yeah, man. Yeah. My friend, that one I call, you know. Hey, my friend, they want to see me condemn. I walk one man. My friend, they want to see me go heaven. I walk one man. My friend, they want me condemn to heaven. I walk one man. My friend, you know, bars couldn't hold I, force couldn't control I. They tried to keep right down, but Rastafari turn all around. So, my friend, they want to see me condemn, my friend. They want me done the whole of them, my friend. My friend, my good friend. Good friend. Hey, my friend. They want to see me condemn, my friend. They want me done the whole of them, my friend. But like a Daniel in the lion's den. Like a Daniel in the lion's den. Like a Daniel in the lion's den. Like a Daniel in the... Come on. Pull up. Up. Selassie I. Big up all of my real friend them. But you know what say, it's just a freestyle, you know?
All the real people them big up.
Yeah. What a real thing, you know? Big up. Hey. My friend. They want to see me condemn, my friend. They want me done do all of them, my friend. What like a darling in the lion's den. Like a darling in the lion's den. What like a darling in the lion's den. What's a darling? You know. War could hold I. They couldn't control I. They tried to keep I down. But what's the for I turn I around? Just so my friend. You want to see me? Circle is like what? Yo, yeah. Yeah, me. You know, that's some mad meditation of people. Come on, chef.
Hot like a sip in a pot. Yeah. Ah, boy. Some boy coulda never be my friend. Some boy coulda never be my friend. Some boy coulda never be my friend. Some boy they coulda never be my friend. Some boy said them too bad mind. Some boy said them too covetous. Some boy people I mean not just some boy coulda never be my friend. Some boy coulda never be my friend. Some boy, them a cross over. Some boy, a flex like Shibada. Some boy, coulda never be my friend. Some boy, say them love to pretend. Some boy, say them fit. Yeah, man, big up myself, people. Some people, them fake, you know, them fake. Them fake like the fake Gucci, them and the fake clothes, them and the fake food, them. Yeah. Them say that's your girlfriend for your friend. But some boy, they coulda never be my friend. 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 Some boy, they said them too bad mind. Some boy, they said them too covetous. That's why. And not anyone me trust. Some boy say them a crossover. Some boy a flex like Shibada. This is some boy they coulda never be my friend. Some boy they coulda never be my friend. Some boy coulda never be my friend is different from my acquaintance. So they keep certain boy at a distance. Like there is a media put up resistance. Give them two, me say out at the 6 months. Some boy coulda never be my friend. Some boy coulda never be my friend. Some boy they coulda never be my friend. Some boy they coulda never be my friend. Some boy them a cross over. Watch out them a flex like sheep order. Some boy. Yeah, man, rubber style, wicked on the wine, you know. Wicked on the wine. And we're well versatile. On and grows a disciplined child. You see me, I said? Some boy. Me say some boy. Me say me see clear. Them need salvation. Me see clear. Them need salvation. Watch out them a mash up me little nation. Some boy, they coulda never be my friend. Some boy, they coulda never be my friend. Some boy, they coulda never be my friend. Some boy, I them a pretend at them. Some boy, say they could never be my friend. Some boy, them just with sentences. Alright. Itch up. Itch up. Edge it up. Rubber dub foundation. You see, back to the roots. You see, yeah. Back to the roots. It's a one and get up alright. Boy, you say get up alright. You better get up alright. Get up alright. You don't feel get up alright. Get up alright. You better get up alright. Get up alright. You better get up alright. Lord, you coming neat and you coming nice and hold the mic and you think twice and conscious lyrics for you. Tap on the mic and get up and rock up tonight. Listen, get up and pull up and come again. Selassie I, Joe Rastafari. I want them get up and rock. Big up all the massive, big up all the crew them see you because I don't know Shumba one is me out there, you know? Yeah, man. Get up and rock, you know, get up and rock. Get up and rock, you better get up and rock. Get up and rock, you know, get up and rock. Shumba one is a beat, you better get up and rock. Because in a me own book, they go down the corner. Me hear the wire shake and me scratch me back. So me get up and look to the door. Peep through the door, and the door didn't lock. I want boy, I take down the sheet. Take down the sheet, and I take down the sheet and me line and me socks. Me have a dance in the give my chop. I
And this a style, yeah. What that? Come on. Now go back. Chumba one less. Me a chat. They want to talk about me a pressing gas. I will be chat. We'll have to rap. Get up and rock. Me say get up and rock. Get up and pull up and come again. Come in down, chef. You know what thing going, just advise you one. You see me, I say I'm not nothing serious. You see me, pick up all the massive, pick up all the crowd them say we pull up and come again.
Yeah, man, that's
music. And the Sunday show, you see me?
Music,
yeah, man.
You see. I always say music and food,
yeah,
to the word.
Show my oneness, welcome to the Gaza kitchen, welcome to the whole Gaza crew. You see me, I say, pick up on yourself, straight up to the max, because you don't know, show my oneness there. Up and going, I told them, say, you see me, I say, because you see, hold on there. Earlier on, we go have a reggae rainbow show here down the road. So, I pass through, so I say, you know what? Now come hold a little jar with Dan Chef. You see me, I say, hold a little meditation. Because I don't know, Shumba One is always there upon the Sunday show, but right now, I down in the valleys, and from me down in the valleys, no thing I go. Because we have built a studio, so we can hold a vibe same way. Don't know a thing go. Big up all the massive, big up all the crew them same way. Don't know. Out here. You see me? Come in down, chef.
Yeah, man. More blessing, more blessing, more blessing. Big up on yourself, people. Big up on yourself. Much love. Much love and appreciation for the time and effort, you see. If you take a look at going on the Gaza kitchen and you don't know we need to run it. Big up on yourself, people. I want to people upon the thing, you know, so I don't kind of one name. Big up everyone. You see, more. And more, don't we are dealing with every day. We no matter what the hypocrite and wicked them say. Just nothing on me heart and lead me the right way. That's why me exalt him on me no night and day. And wicked man, me say they got to fade away. According to your word, that is how you get paid. And I love it and lead me. I love, put on the guns, put on the knife, and seize the violence. Don't get caught up in a the devil's conference. You better have a loving heart and a clean conscience. Truly said that more love, not take me for no wavelength. Some people fool and ignorant, them now no patience. Them now more loving at them back, them now show no reference. Listen, me style good. Get the message from the action. And more, no man I deal with that every day. Matter with the wicked and Pharisees say, tell loving on me heart and lead me the right way. That's why me exalt him and me no night and day. According to your word, that is how you get paid. And I love it and leave it all the way. Me say, war and violence we no conspire. Peace and love, that is my heart desire. I can be articulate, and some must speculate. I love to show people love and not grief. This is not no question, and this is not no debate. Fire and corruption, we are burned that street. Wickedness and poverty, we conflict. Eliminate discrimination of race. We not tolerate. I'm more love, we are deal with every day. No matter what the wicked and Pharisees say. Turn up in me heart and live the right way. That's why me exalt him and in no night and day. Say all wicked man, they must fade away. According to your word, that is how you get paid. I'm more, the man I deal with every day. Tell loving of me and to show me inspiration. And see him love give me salvation. Jab the story up on each and every man. But now be a day food to see the manifestation. That's why them get caught up in a frustration. Next in your ear say that them big tongue a gold man. Next in your ear say them turn to prostitution. But we not give in to the devil manipulation of a judge children. Tell them to take his hands and more. No man not deal with every day. We know what I will do wicked and we no matter what the wicked them say, I'm more lost. You see, love the heart of the day. You see, don't get astray. Stay focused and pull them brown. You see, step cross.
Yeah, man, a straight love with Sarah, you know. Hey, hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, 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 you're in a righteous man. You're in a righteous man. do them, them, them. I want to them, I want to them, them, them. I want to them, I want to them, 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 them. I thought them, I thought. But me say, I not the glory. But I say you with me, say, who wanna story? And I say you with me, say, I come a chanting. Oh, boy, and we burn out the bad mind. Oh, boy, and we burn out the hypocrite. Oh, boy, and we burn out the envy. Oh, boy, and we burn out the red eye. Oh, boy, chant, 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 chant. The fire of the burn. The fire of the burn. So me sing, say, why? Why? Hey, why? Whoa, tell them, sir. I say, you're not the top. Whoa, boy. I tell you're not the top. Whoa, boy. No. No. I should have one if I tell them so. No one done chef and him I tell them so. Tell me all of them so we the on the go. For when we go youth man a go, we a go. When we come a man and so we do it slow. Tell the Rasta you just a beat down the lane. Tell the Rasta you just a beat on the lane. Tell the Rasta you just a beat in the valleys. Tell the Rasta you just a beat in the city. Tell the Rasta you just a beat. I do it, whoa. Yeah, man, Selassie, what you say? Next track like that. Yeah. Rubber dub style. T-Call. Rubber dub style. Yeah. Rubber dub style. Tell them see a rubber dub style. Yeah, a rubber dub style. A rubber dub style. Tell them see a rubber dub style. Because a rubber dub style. I tell them say me wicked out. You know. Hey, yo. Me come to tell them about my sweet Jamaica. Me come to tell them about beautiful Jamaica. Me come to tell them about nice Jamaica. The golden sunshine, the mountains, the rivers and the beaches. Yeah, you be star, what's up for it? Yeah, me know. I no matter where you go in the world, everywhere you go, I eat my nice like Jamaica. And every man, woman, boys and girls, no matter where them come from, they want with Jamaica. And it no matter what happen to my yard, every man still want own a acre. And it no matter what happen, every man still a big up the creator. Jamaica nice now, Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice, tell you Jamaica sweet no, Jamaica sweet, Jamaica, hey, I would never send Jamaica for a chill alone a diamond. Jamaica is the diamond in the Caribbean. I love it, I love Jamaica, I love Jamaica. You no matter where you go in the world, anywhere you go, in a place like Jamaica. And if you man, woman, boys and girls, no matter where them come from, them want to Jamaica. And it no matter what I go on to my yard, every man still want own a acre. And it no matter what I go on, every man still a big up the creator. We say I've been around the world and I've been to a lot of places. Jamaica's very nice, could never be replaced. Everyone is welcome, every color, every race. So when them say we arise, don't be amazed. Take a look at the mountain, the rivers and the sea. Fresh water from the fountain, getting honey from the bee. Our culture, our fruits and the trees, Rastafari in a fine style. We tell them about my sweet Jamaica. We go to tell them about beautiful Jamaica. Me come to tell them about nice Jamaica, Jamaica. Hey, me come to tell them about my sweet Jamaica. Me come to tell them about beautiful Jamaica. Me come to tell them about nice Jamaica, Jamaica. I'm only pick a touch, Marcus Garvey. They never get the chance if we just get QT. Respect is Baba Green, who know what I mean. I will never sell Jamaica for a chill and load of diamond. Jamaica is the diamond in the Caribbean, and I love it. Selassie, Jarastafari, come in, Danship, you don't know a thing.
Yeah, man, sweet, sweet Jamaica. Yeah. They were out there, you see, up and gunning. Yeah, I Independence Day, them said no. Yeah.
Yeah, Independence Day are the first or second.
The first, them said. Alright. I want to dedicate it to our national hero. It's like when you touch the Jamaican thing. I want to call the ballad of 1865. The ballad. Give it again from the top. Give it again from the top, from the top, from the top. Yeah, man, I want to dedicate it to Paul Bogle. When I want a strong, strong hero. You see what I said? I want to name ballad of 65. 1865. Yeah. I used to never back in I know. History never going on. Yeah. Have mercy. Have mercy. Have mercy. Give it up. These are the ballad of 65. The ballad of 65. When Paul Bogle and Sam Sock was alive. The ballad of 65. The ballad of 65. The ballad of 65. When Sam Sock and Paul Bogle were alive. The ballad of 65 said it. Go Rocky and the Hebrews deep. The marker scratches, the valley were deep. Town were far and the news travel slow. The mountain men they had far to go. Bogle took up his cutlass and stony guards. Look at the small heap of food he got. Shook his head and his talker said, you can walk like a mule, but the rap still bad. Then Bogle thundered, this thing is wrong. They think we are weak, but we kill men strong. Rose up yourself, we shall march all night to the vestry's house and claims of our right. Monday morning was traffic clear as the men from Stony got juvenile. The ballad of 65. The ballad of 65. When Paul Bogle and Sam Sharp were alive. When Paul Bogle and Nanny were alive. The ballad of 65. Then Bogle thundered, this thing is wrong. Then think we're weak, but we kill men strong. Rose up yourself, we shall march all night to the vestry's house to claim our right. Monday morning was traffic clear as the men from Stony got junior, clenching their stick in their farmer's hand to claim their right for their native land. Oh, many more and many were dead that day when the vestry's flag was red, chopping and shooting, and when it done. Bogle and his men, they knew they had to run now. Run to the bush where they hope to hide, but the soldier poured in from Kingston side. Took the prisoner to Moran Day, where they hung him high in the early days. Bogle died, but his spirit up. Anyway, Jamaica with freedom war. The ballad of 65. The ballad of 65. The ballad of 65. When Paul Bogle and Sam Sharp were alive. The ballad of 65. When Sam Sharp and Annie were alive. They took a prisoner to Moran Bay. And they died in the early day. Oh, many mourn and many died. That day when the vestry's was red, they chopping and shooting, and when they done, Bogle and his men know they knew they had to run. But from the bush where they ought to hide, but the soldier poured in from Kingston side. They pull up, man, pull up, man.
Pull up,
Yeah.
man.
history, me saying, a history. A history. A history. Jamaican history. Yes, so check it. Yeah, man. Big up all of the national hero them. Yeah, up and running. That chef straight out of the Gaza kitchen alongside Chumba Oneness. You don't reach around here. You see it? Yeah. Ballad. The ballad. The ballad. The ballad. The ballad of 65. The ballad of 1865. The ballad of 65. When some shark and parbo blew her alive. The ballad of 65. When George William and Nanny were alive. The road was rocky and the hill were steep. The marker scratches and the gully is deep. The town were far and news travel slow. The mountain they had far to go. But Bubble pick up his butt like a stony gut. He looked at the small heap of food he got. He shook his head, his copper sad. He said, yeah, walk like a man, but the cross still bad. The Mogul told her this thing is wrong. They think we weak, but we ill and strong. Rose up yourself, we shall march all night to the vestry's house and claim some right. Monday morning was traffic clear as the men from Stony got the junior. Clenching their stick in their farmers' hand to claim they right in their native land. Oh, many mourn and many dead that day when the vestry's flames rose was red. Chopping and shooting and burning down. But Bogle and his men knew they had to run. Run for the bushes where they hope to hide. But the soldier pulled in from Kingston side. They took the prisoner to Moran Bay, where they hung their eye in the early day. But Bogle died, but his spirit talk. In when Jamaica we a freedom walk, where brave man gather and courage thrill, as it did in those days in St. Thomas. It at the ballad of 65, the ballad of 65, the ballad of 65, when some shark and bar over verbalize. The ballad of 65, when George William and most about to verbalize. The ballad of 65, the ballad of 65, the ballad of 65, the ballad of 65. Come on, Rocky, it was king. Under the scratches and gunny is king. The jungle far and you shot the sun. Yes, the mountain when they have far to go. For the thunder, this thing is wrong. They think we're weak, but we're ill and strong. Rose up yourself, we shall march all night to the vestry's house and claim some right. The Monday morning where traffic clear, as the men from Stony got the junior, clenching the signal farmers and to claim their right in the native land. And oh, many mourn and many dead that day when the vestry flame rose red. Chopping and shooting and when it done, Pat Bogle and his men know they knew they had to run. One put the bush where they hope to hide, but the soldier poured in from Kingston side. Now they took the prisoner to Moran Bay, where they hung them high in the early days. Is that the ballad of 65, the ballad of 65. The ballad of 65 with Paul Bogle and some sharper alive. The ballad of 65. The ballad of 65. The ballad of 65 with some sharp and Paul Bogle alive. Bogle died, but his spirit talk. Anyway, in Jamaica, we have freedom walk. A brave man gather and courage trail, as it did in those days in St. Thomas Hill. You see me, I say, pick up on yourself, the people, up and running.
Yeah, I say things settled, you know? Chumba Oneness. Yeah. Oneness dub soul, we're there. Big up all the massive, big up all the crew, them same way.
Yeah, big up on yourself, people.
Don't know. You feel me? Yo. Yeah, man, Selassie, you know. Pull up and come again, you know. Slow down on this. There. Yo! Get a woman! It's a wanna see the get a woman there. It's a wanna see the get a woman there. You get a woman. When it's a wanna see the get a woman. Pull up. Yeah. Big up all the get a woman there. That's what I said. All the get a ladies there gonna big up on themselves.
All the get the princess.
Yeah, man, all the get a princess, all the get a queen them. All you get up, mama, they big up in themselves, you see me? Hey, get up, boo, man. And the sound of me, get up, boo, man. I get up, boo, man. Hey, I really get a woman in a novel, body get a man, them. Looking at the get a man, I'll be a problem. Did you get a woman, we say, did you get a man? I get a youth, man. I just be a summer. I don't think I can get a one, I'll be a bambarama. Okay, Shaggy, baby, I make a samba, Babylon. Look how much innocent youth, man. Babylon set us unto Whoa, yeah. I get a youth, man. I don't need to defend, I get a woman, I get a man. All of them. Hear me now. You get a woman. You get a woman. You get a woman. You get a youth, man. I say, if you get a woman, if you get a man. If you get a youth, man, just stay strong. You live in the ghetto, wanna be a bangarang. Oppression every day, me say from Babylon. Look how much innocent, them say thanks to Amma. Go listen to the message, they want in Amma, yes, I'm all you want. Want someone now, you see a salad. Take it easy now, man. Pull up and come again, man. Selassie. And I say, free up the ghetto youth them. Free up the ghetto youth them. Woman, I want to do. Why? He says, if you get a woman, he says, if you get a man, if you get a woman, just be strong. If you not get a one, not be a bangarang. Oppression every day from Babylon. What you say? Let's say thanks to her. Come listen to the message of my Islam. You want someone, or stay someone. Take it easy, no man, just cool, no man. No. If you get a woman, I say, if you get a woman, I say, if you get a youth, man, just stay strong. Stay strong, no man. Say, we're strong, no man. Stay strong, no man. Say, we're stay strong, no man. Stay strong, no man. Stay strong, no man. If you get a woman, I say, if you get a man, if you get a youth, man, you have to stay strong. Don't in the ghetto, wanna be a bangarang. Oppression every day from Babylon. Look how much innocent. Them sentence to bang, come listen to the message. In a voice, someone you are want someone, or just stay someone. Take it easy, no man, just hold on, man. We say, did you get a woman? And did you get a woman? 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 Did you? Oh, the oppression. Babylon of the other. It's a peer oppression. Mama, I'm proper. Yeah, man. I'm say, mama. Oh. Yeah. I can't take it no more. I can't take it no more. People of this world, they can't take it no more. You know, see Babylon, I broke out like soul all over the world. Yo, I hear me coming down to the car.
Yeah. Don't know. Music and food straight out of the Gaza kitchen. Put you in the mood. Big up on yourself, people. Yeah, up and gunning. Here's what I said. Starting. This is an ever and ever, everlasting love. And this is what me and you got for sure. And this is what people searching for. An ever and ever, everlasting love. This is what me and you got for sure. This is what a lot of people searching for. Now this love that we got is everlasting. Tell me whether well forces we are in. And people will say you are not good for me. And people will say I am not good for you. But that is your opinion. But we all disagree. We now follow tradition, no philosophy. As long as Father God our love for guide me. This is an ever and ever everlasting love. Ever and ever everlasting love. This is what me and you got for sure. And this is what many people searching for. An ever and ever everlasting love. No, to get this love that is everlasting, you got to realize, you got to compromise, criticize and realize. Your eyes on the prize. Just an opinion isn't on the way. You got to come here and make it, you got to elaborate, you got to participate and congratulate between you and me. Got enough faith, this is the ever and ever everlasting love. Ever and ever everlasting love. But this is what me and you got for sure. This is what many people searching for. Ever and ever. Love don't be a answer. Pull up on the top and we get it from the top again. Pick up on the same people. Yeah. And also make that thing up. You know? Yeah. Up and cutting. Ever and ever everlasting love. Ever and ever everlasting love. Ever and ever everlasting love. But this is what me and you baby got for sure. This is what many people searching for. Ever and ever everlasting love. Ever and ever everlasting love. This is what me and you baby got for sure. This is what many people searching for. Notice, look at me share is everlasting. Stand me whether we'll try to force his way in. People will say I am not good for you. People will say you are not for me. But that is their opinion. We all disagree. We not go for the tradition, a philosophy. As I'm in love in our heart, I eat a by way. And for that she only don't wait for me. We not fit take no talk from nobody. This is an ever and ever everlasting love. This is what me and you got for sure. Ever and ever everlasting love. This is what a lot of people be searching for. Get this love that is everlasting. First of all, you got to realize. First of all, you got to compromise. First of all, keep your eyes on the prize. Just and up it is the only way. We got to communicate, we got to elaborate, participate and congratulate. Between the both of us, we have it got strong fit. This is an ever and ever everlasting love. This is what me and you got for sure. It's an ever and ever everlasting love. A lot of people been searching for love. Don't give unseemly. Love don't provoke me so very easy. Love believing in everything. Love is cooperative in everything. This is an ever and ever everlasting love. And this is what me and you got for sure. Ever and ever everlasting love. That is what many people searching for. Ever and ever. Pull up! Gosh. Yeah, up and gunning. Pick up on yourself, people, because you don't know repeat around your music and food to the world. Straight out of the Gaza kitchen dance chef alongside Sugar Oneness and the Oneness Club sound. Yeah, step cross.
Yeah, man, look there. Oh, mercy. Yeah, Selassie, you know. That's the fire, you know. Prince of Kings and the Lord of Lords, you know. Upon me, I go burn some fire. See, upon me, I go burn some fire, God. You just love to burn fire. You say the love to burn fire. You say the love to burn fire. You say the love to burn fire. So me go burn them a day and me go burn them a night. Me go burn hypocrite and me go burn parasite. And me go burn them a one and me go burn them twice. And me go burn them on the city lane and the avenue. And me go burn some rats when no stop me and poor. Me burn some pasta when no stop take poor. Me burn some
Burn them. Fire upon them.
Will come again?
Fire upon them.
Fire.
Fire.
I say I love to burn this fire. Yeah, me no Rasta. I love to burn this fire. They say I love to burn this fire. Rasta, I love to burn this fire. They say I love to burn this fire. I really love to burn this fire. Yeah. So me go burn them a day and me go burn them a night. Me go burn hypocrite and me go burn parasite. Me go burn them one and me go burn them twice. Me go burn them on the city lane and the avenue. Me go burn some rats when no stop and pokey. Me burn some pasta when no stop take OT. Me burn them panty and me straight to Kochi.
On them.
I say I love to burn this fire. Hey, I say I love to burn this fire. You know Rasta, so me go burn in my east and me go burn them a west and me go burn them because them and the best of us love them in and that they require. You fire it and burn them higher. Me say, don't miss the fire, respect the fire. See them fire blaze and burn bag of wire. Don't miss the fire, respect the fire. See them fire blaze and burn bag of wire. Me say, do the right, don't do the wrong. You do the wrong, it is abomination. And to the Father in your German, I am among them all over the land for love to burn your fire. You know, we say I love the fire. You know, we say I will never go do when the fireman come. I will never go do when the fire start burn. They run to the east and the east start run. They run to the west and the west start run. They run to the moon and try run to the sun. And everywhere they run to them still and get gone. Mama, weep no more, mama, weep no more. Weep no more,
for sure.
Weep no more. By the fireman coming for sure. You see me? Big up all the massive, big up all the crew and see how we are Shumba Oneness and Dan Chef. You know, we're up in our Gaza kitchen scene. You see me? I say, yeah, reach out to the world. So, yeah, me. Big up the world, big up all the boys and girls. You see me? I say, the woman and the man, them. Big up on yourself, straight up to the maximum. You see me? I say, I don't know. Shumba Oneness and Dan Chef. We're out here. Come in, Dan Chef.
Yeah, man, we're there. We're there. In a big Gaza kitchen. In a big Gaza kitchen. Sizzling. In my kitchen. Now it's sizzling. In my kitchen. What's cooking in that chef kitchen? What's cooking in that chef kitchen? Chef, please. Pull up. Yo. I'm just saying that. That's some head top style, you know. Head top style. Can't spoil. Is it? Style can't spoil. Never spoil. Never wild. Life is wild. Life is wild. Life is wild. Because style and style can't spoil. Style and style can't spoil. Me born and me grew as a disciplined child. Come from pale and back a near 3 mile. Me say style and style can't spoil. Me born and me grow as a disciplined child. And some of them must say, oh, me get so wild. On the microphone, no more versatile. Me full up a style, no me full up pattern. Me ram up your dance and your session, ram up your stage show and your party. On the microphone, you know me full of style. Me say, and me say, style and style can't spoil. But tell them down, jump up on the microphone. Me say, on the mic, say me up on the phone. When I'm in the kitchen, yo, pull up. Yeah, man. As we say, a style, a top style, you know, a music. Music and food is straight out of the Gaza kitchen, you see it? Up and going, pick up on yourself, people, much love and appreciation. You see me, I say, where I say, Shumba?
Let me say, give me that tell them, say, hello, me do me thing. Hello, me do me thing. Because I feel the king, I feel the king, I feel your king, I feel your king. Hello, me make me do me thing. Hello, me make me do me thing. Me say, hello, me make me do me thing. Because I feel the king, I feel the king, I feel your king, I feel your king. So Lord, me make me do me thing. Let me know. Now come around and try to mash up the thing. Now come around and try to destroy the thing. Or Rastafari don't set the thing. I don't know that can't come to the thing. Oh, I don't wanna sing it down. Oh, when you try to live this life, I don't mess with no one. I who wanna sing it on in a junkie. Don't be till not you like monkey. The city is mine, the sound is mine, the city is mine. I also never steer. We not run away from here. We not run away from here. The here, let's say, the city. Do me thing. I feel me thing, I feel it thing, I feel it thing, I feel it. One go do your thing. Hey, me say, oh, let me do me thing. I say, oh, let me do me thing. I feel me thing, I feel it thing, I feel it thing, I feel it. Now watch another man pat on your pot a boil over. You can be more than your eye before you pick it out of another. Hey, me say them can't watch me spy and them can't watch me flex. They can't watch me pattern and them can't watch me flow. And if I them would have love to see me go, oh no, I'm here to stay. Solid like a rock, we not run away. Solid like a rock, a righteousness we say. Solid like a rock, I eat them in my way. We solid like a rock, yo. If I watch this style and if I watch it friends and if I become a test, so you know me and the text and me tell them we no ease and me tell them we no west. Them a push up them chest, but yo! Selassie,
Yo, look, man, that's the time of.
no one don't fear.
Time of sprint already now.
Yes, I want to know.
Time of sprint, man. We're down already.
Yeah, well, you have no.
I
I eat that in a piece, man. Right now, yo, you know me work this morning. You see me? So,
yeah.
I just come out of work and I just say, go link up the virgin and go.
One
You see me?
more, we just start it today, because you don't.
Alright. God bless up the things here. You see what I say?
Big up on yourself, people. Thank God for the time and the effort as usual. You see, if you see what I go on and done, chef kitchen, you don't know where to eat around your music and food. You see, straight out of the Gaza kitchen. Big up all of the people them on the thing. You where you want to come from. You don't want to come from England, Scotland, Ireland, Wales, New York, America, Jamaica, big up the whole Gaza nation. Big up Ice Cartel, big up Pincher Man, big up Buju Banton, Dino Man, Bounty Killer, yeah.
Yeah, man.
All of the DJ them, all of the young DJ them, big up yourself. Up and gun it.
Yo, when I say big up all the people and we are help people in Jamaica. Big
Yeah.
up all the charity and we are help people.
Yeah,
Straight
all of
up,
the charity
big up on
people
yourself. Yeah, straight
Big
up
up.
to the max. All of the
Sister
people and we
Donna.
are do anything
All
for
of them
other,
to you.
for somebody else. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. One respect, one love, and oneness to each and every one. You see me, I say, yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Yeah, you want now. We're back on the thing again. How them say? Acha. How them say, Dan Chef? Yo. You know. Them a say that they are alien. To me, I'm no Englishman. To me, I'm no European. Them young go call immigration. Yo! Them a say that them are
Alien,
to me, I'm no.
European. Them a say that me a alien.
How them a say that me a?
Alien.
They want to dig me from England to Jamaica. We not even matter in a nada dollar. How they want me to go turn thief or robber?
So them a say that
For the bad police, them go shoot me over. They prefer running at the hill and go to a farmer. Go plant up some trunk sensimilia. Because we help the sunshine in a Jamaica. And you know, it's a land of wood and water. You know?
them a say that
You go fit the lemon. Yo,
Yo, big up on yourself.
Yo,
people.
big up on yourself.
Oh.
come in and check. I don't know, just I will have fight here. You see?
Up and gunning. Sizzling. In the kitchen. It's a way they want us to do. What them really want us to do. What they really want us to do. When them on the poor man like me and you feel do me and say when they really want us to do. When they really want the poor man like me feel do. They say when they want me do me and say when they want me do. And when they want the poor man like me and you feel do. When them want me do me and say when they want me do. And when they want the poor man like me and but them people they not so really not. Them increase the food price so frequently. And them not increase the poor man's salary. It seems like them wow we commit robbery. And them wow we go start out World War III. Them send them police we go massacre. We ask them what them really want us to do. And when them want the poor man like me and you feel do. And when them want us to do. And when they really want the poor man. You say somebody tell me now. 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 Chicken back and down with the Uzi pound wheat. And the price with them low, no we can't stomach it. We flour and rice get IT. And the price that high in a society. No corn beef. That start up to win because it cannot be eaten by the poor family. We say, what them want us to do. And what them really want the poor man to do. And what them really want us to do. And what them want the poor man like me and you to do. Only Father He can really help me from all these crises and calamity. It's on humorous, but this is reality. Me say what them want us to do. And what them want the poor man like me and you to do. What them want me do, me I say what them want me do. Yeah man, a question you know. We need an answer.
Yeah, me know.
Yeah, we need answers for a lot of things that they're doing around here. They ain't doing nothing for the poor.
When them want me
That's
do,
for
what me
sure.
say, when them want me do. When them want me do, when want me start smoke sensi. When them want me do, what me say, when them want me do. When them want me do, they want me start smoke sensi. Sensi, take me off the bonnet in the morning, or a bonnet in the noon. Bonnet in the evening, and a bonnet in the garden. The whole night, everything is alright. Hey, sexy, you get me high, and I like when I wanna fly. I never try, never bother me, say never cry. I never cry, but I never me no wanna lie. I wanna lie, but the ragamuffin think I don't want me next time. Rapping up the next time we have a concession. We take my job, I promise it. You know me, becoming easy to listen on a Monday. Me say me easy to listen on a Sunday. Me say me easy to listen on a Tuesday. Me say me blaze it, blaze it, blaze it, blaze it. Sense me heal ya. Pull up and come again, cause I don't know, say. At the final end of the show, you know, so you don't know.
Yeah.
We just hold some vibes, you know. Yeah, yeah. Chasing me out. I'm calling from the weed. I'm calling from the weed. Chasing me out. Yeah. I coming from Western in the van. 10 pound weight in the black stop. Yeah, I'm not the jack, so I have a big spliff in my hand. The only color there was Babylon. I get too light, so I'm going back there. So see me, yeah. Me now make the petty. I'm gonna make them petty. I'm gonna make the real fall. I'll wait you and you pick you and you burn you, to me, my God, me belly on me head top. Woo! Cecilia, hey, but them a fight me, them a fight you, them a fight the sense to me, the man can't get the tree, and you know, how we do it in a style. Cecilia, come on, leave me. Let me keep on. You want to take the parables out of the matter? No, right here in Masata. No, me don't want to bring the scatter. Me pon the back and deal with them matter. Oh, yeah. Sense me. Yo! Shumba oneness to the mother world and to the father world. Circle! It's like water in a cake. You know when we boil act like a fish in a pot just like that Shumba oneness on this pot. I told them, say.
Yeah. Up and gunning people. Big up on the
One love and one unity and one peace and harmony and love and respect to each and every one. You see me and say, remember just like how please and excuse me and thank you, get down in the bus, get you many more things. You see me?
Yeah, big up on
Yeah, man.
Big up on yourself, people. Yeah, man. Up and gunning. Remember, subscribe to the YouTube channel, Dan Chef TV. You see me, I say up and gunning. Follow the Dan Chef Records on Facebook, up and gunning. Dan Chef Records. Yeah. Up on Instagram. Dan Chef Records up on SoundCloud. Up and gunning, so loud and proud. Big up on yourself, people. Much love and appreciation for the time and effort. You see? This is where I go on in the kitchen. And the final one that you know. You see? Up and gunning. With time out. But as I say, catch us back here next week. Yeah. Up and gunning. Big up on yourself. Much love. We're out. Out of the Gaza kitchen. Big up the Gaza nation again.